We're now at Heat Restaurant at Shangri-La. Birthday treat of Ateleng. Thank you, sister, for the buffet of blessings. We're having here a buffet. Still waiting for some family members. We're caught in the traffic. Okay. That's Ateleng over there and the friends of Ateleng. Bing and... Oh, you're on video. Bing, Ateleng, Bing, and Ellen. Sister, look at me. Video to video. Happy birthday. Thanks for the buffet of blessing. Ang dami mong guests, oh. Grabe, ang dami niyang guests. Kanya-kanyang partido yan. May Duterte, merong Duterte pa rin at may Duterte. Dami mga Duterte. May Grace po. May Grace po, tsaka merong Mar Rojas. Ang dami niyang guests. Ang dami niyang guests.
Oh, ito na.
You're on video.
Ano? Sino president mo?
Si Duterte. Ako naman may video mo. Ako na lagi nagbibideo eh. Okay. Hi! Hello! We're now at Shangri-La. EDSA Shangri-La. Birthday treat of Ateleng. Thank you, Ateleng, for the buffet of blessings. Love you. Okay. Oh, Mama. Nakainom ka na ng gamot. Ano masasabi mo kay Ateleng? Greet mo si Ateleng. Greet mo. What can you say? Whiny?
Wala pa ito kung alam.
Whiny. Yeah, we're still waiting for them. Traffic daw, traffic. Okay. Mama, what can you say, Ateleng, to Ateleng?
Ateleng,
Happy
birthday.
Ate mo si Ateleng? Kala ko anak mo yun. Ay, ikaw naman. What can you say? Ano masabi mo? Sa pansit mo?
Happy birthday, Ate Leng. God bless. More blessings to come. Thank you.
Oh, diba? That's our Jasmine. Tama naman. Oh, ikaw naman, Mama. Oh, I love you. Oh, diba? Oh, si Tita naman. Tita, what can you say?
Hello, Leng. I have nothing to give you except my love and my wishes to you.
The Ninang of Ateleng. Oh, Aiki. What can you say? Dali, greetings to kasi ipopost ko to kay Ateleng.
Happy birthday.
Napakatip. Sobrang tipid. O si Cooksy. What can you say? Ate Cooksy to Ateleng.
Birthday. Love you. Thank you.
Kayo na. Kasi Ate Cherry habang kumukuha ng grapes. What can you say to Ateleng?
Happy birthday, sis. God bless you always. God bless you more.
Tayong dalawa. Thank you, Ateleng. I love you.
Thank you.
Ang ganda ng
For the buffet.
Baka maganda yung kuha natin dito kasi maganda yung kuha.
Thank you for the treat.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love, love, love. Always. Yan si Ateleng, busy-busy sa kanyang two friendship.